I started thinking about a collaboration with Gozney and Hedley and Bennett, it just made so much sense because it's like your two best friends starting to go on a date together. Everyone's going to get excited about it because you love both people so much. And our communities are so special to both of our brands that I think this is a big moment for us to get to come together and say, hey, we wanted to make you something so special and so unique and so different. And here it is. Here's these beautiful ovens that we created together with fun colors, great design, but more than anything, quality.
There's this art to how the flame interacts. It almost feels spiritual, the way the flames work. When I look at the way the flame works in the arc, I'm proud that there's a feat of engineering that we've taken to make it simulate that of a wood-fired oven in a true restaurant. And then it has to just be this thing of beauty.
I love that color evokes feelings. Every time I do anything design-wise, color is attached. It's that same feeling of like connection and connectivity that I am so proud that we've done, and it's just getting started.
I'm Tom Gozney.
I'm Ellen, founder of Hedley and Bennett.